Mount Everest 8,848 meters.
Mount Everest is the tallest mountain on Earth, sitting high in the Himalayas. It straddles Nepal and China, and was first climbed in 1953. K2.
K2 is known as the Savage Mountain. It's deadly, beautiful, and stands tall in Pakistan's Karakoram range. 3. Kanchenjunga 8,586 meters.
Kanchenjunga lies between Nepal and India. Locals believe its peak is sacred, and climbers often stop just below the summit. Lhotse. 8,516 meters. Lhotse is Everest's neighbor, sharing much of the same route. It means South Peak in Tibetan. Makalu. Makalu stands like a perfect pyramid. It's one of the most difficult mountains to climb.